Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on your Android Oppo phone. So a quick cache clear is a number one fix, especially if you are using Android. So it will fix a performance problem. So you can just follow what I do in here. So you can quickly free up storage, boost your phone speed, and also eliminate those annoying app issues. So what you need to do is just go to your phone settings. So there are two ways. I'm going to show you both of them. The first one, you can go to settings, and here you can scroll down until you find apps settings, this one. And then you can just choose the apps that you want to clear its cache. You can go with see all apps in here to see all of the app lists on your device. So for example, I'm going to clear cache of the app that I open the most. Let's try, for example, Chrome. Here you can click on the apps, then click on the storage and cache, and there will be these options to clear cache. And just like that, the cache will be deleted. You can also do clear storage, but if it will wipe up your data, so be caution. So that's the first step. So the second step that you can do is just you can choose directly the app that you want to clear its cache. So for example, I'm going to clear the cache of CapCut. So you can just click on the apps on the home screen. You can just long press on it like this, then click on this info options, this one, and the CapCut, sorry about that. Here you can click on info, and the app info, the CapCut app info will be opened, and you'll see the same options like the previous one. Click on storage and cache and clear cache. So that's pretty easy, right? So you can do it for many apps. So I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, so you can boost performance on your Oppo phone. Thank you so much for watching. You can hit the like button if you love a fast, clean phone. Subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye!